Fearless here. Happy Easter. Do you like my new hat? Actually, it's a very old hat. My artist friend did that. Today we're going to make a Swiss dish. It's very hard to pronounce, but I would like to share that with you because this was my very first dish I ever cooked in my life as an apprentice. And it's called Geschnetzeltes. Small, thin slices of meat. That's basically what it is. And it's done in just a few minutes. It doesn't take very long at all. We have to prep the mushrooms. We saute them a little bit at first. The dish consists of either veal, beef, or chicken. It's your choice. I have a bottom round steak here, perfect for just fast frying. We need onions and garlic. We might not need stock, but I always have stock on hand. We have wine, and we also have coconut milk or coconut cream. You can also use sour cream, and you can also use whipping cream if you want to make the sauce. I prefer coconut cream as it is lighter and tastier. The first thing we're doing is we're sauteing the meat very fast. Once again, we're taking avocado oil. I like to saute with that. Always make sure that your pan is hot. Never put the oil in a cold pan, and never put meat in or any dish that you want to fry in a cold frying pan. That is just not what you want to do. Pan is getting a bit hot, I can tell, and we are going to put some oil in here. You can use olive oil. Please do not use canola oil. It's the most over-processed and cancerous oil that you can possibly buy. So stay away from vegetable oil that has canola oil in it. When you saute your mushrooms, leave them alone. First of all, put them in really hot oil and in a hot pan and on high heat. There's a lot of water in mushrooms, and you want all of that water to come out. So if you leave them alone till they're nice and brown, don't touch them, don't do anything. So as you can see, one side is brown, this is how we want them. And the other side, I just added a few more. Exactly what I wanted, some nice crispy mushrooms. The flavors is all inside. So now I'm just distributing my meat. See how nice it sizzles? That's what you want to hear. By the way, I always wash my hands several times before I start cooking. See how this is? The meat will shrink a little bit when you cook it that fast. The shallots, you don't want them brown, but you want them nicely sauteed. And it's just turning a little bit, as you can see, just a bit. And at that point, I will add my garlic. I like larger chunks of garlic in there because I want that flavor as much as possible in my onions. I'm putting my mushrooms back. Now this is when I put a little bit more salt on it. Remember, from above, and a dash of paprika. What kind of paprika? Any red paprika will do. Sauce is coming together in a second. Now, I always have some stock on hand, but in this case, we do need some wine in it. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's the right thing. You want the squishy, hear this big sound, this fantastic sound. You want the alcohol to evaporate and get into your sauce. It's already looking fabulous. You also need a little bit of acid in any kind of dish. It's raining eggs! Now we put my meat back in. And this is where the important part comes in. We need to reduce this sauce. So I'm going to just put a little bit of stock. Broth would be the proper word. If you ever have a chance to get your coconut milk in a carton like this instead of can, I urge you to do that. Aluminum in my food isn't doing so well. See how the sauce comes? The sauce is still a bit liquid. We're going to reduce this sauce now. Now, always taste your cooking, whether you like it or not. You need to taste it. So I'm going to you take a fresh spoon. A lot of people do this. They taste it and then they keep stirring with the same spoon. Don't do that. Just take a spoon. Oh my God. Oh, I wish you could taste it, but you will when you do it at home. The spoon does not get reused. So it's just about coming together. Sauces are all about reducing and giving it the flavor that you want, that you have in your pan from all your ingredients. A little bit of butter, just the minute before I'm serving it. See how this is? Right here. This is your sauce. This is amazing sauce. All the flavors are in here. I'm just going to finish this off. This is it. Geschnetzeltes, all the way from Zurich, a very a national swoosh dish that you finish with some green onions. You can serve that with rice, noodles. You can serve it with knockeli. These are the tiny little Austrian and German knockeli. Or rice. We prefer nothing. We'll just have a loaf of bread, dunk it in there, and it's just as good. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to Fearless. See you next time.